Okay, here is an oak bowl that I probably made 30 years ago, back when I had a smaller lathe and not all the accessories like these clamps, four-jaw chucks with the woodworm screw and such. So, and as you can see, it's fairly thick and bulky. So what I've done, I'm going to see how I do here, but I'm basically going to return this in some way, make it a little more, hopefully more elegant. That'll be my opinion when I get done, but in any case, the bottom obviously is here, so I'm going to woodworm screw it onto there. So there's going to be, I'm going to have to be careful. I'm still going to have a relatively thick bottom unless I can come up with a way of attaching this without glue. I guess I could have glued on a tenon, and I might break down and do that when I get done here. But at least I'm going to reshape this outside. But here you can kind of see what it looks like. So there we go. Well, I got it mounted. It's on my woodworm screw. This is live oak, and it's spalted. I've had this. I don't know exactly when I made it, but it's got to be close to 30 years ago. It's been sitting around the house for a long time, and it's kind of thick. So I'm going to try and make it thinner, and probably get rid of some of these features here. And because I had to put the woodworm screw on the left, which is the bottom, I can't go as deep here because there's that. So I'm going to bring the sides up, and then I'll probably cut it off. So it'll be a little shallower top to bottom, but the whole bowl will be thinner. Okay, this is my oak redo of a bowl that I made 30 plus years ago. I started out, it was a little thicker, boxier. It still looked nice because it had this spalted oak that it hasn't changed since then. But now that I've machined it with more curve and a thinner walls, it looks much better. It's maybe 5.5, 6 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. It turned out really nice. I like it, and I like the new shape better. And I guess that's about it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.